Hi everybody, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool classic chess board. This is actually an all wooden chess board with a magnetic design and is also foldable. It comes really equipped in a nice box. It comes with a little card they've got on there with a QR code as well as instructions on how to play. Now this is a 15-inch chess board that again is an extremely slimline, easy portable design. I'm loving the finish on this. It is a nice matte finish. They've got two different colors of wood. Everything is nice and lined out in the grain. When we open this up, it's got little latches here on the side. Inside here you actually have two complete sets of pieces, and they even send you with two additional queen pieces. So if you happen to queen one of your pawns and need to go ahead and swap that out, it gives you the ability to do that. This actually has separate trays that you can actually pull these trays out, which is nice. I really like the fact that they're not permanently in there. This has got a nice felt lined back and hinged covers that are in nice felt on this as well. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this over here and show you here the actual board here is a nice slimline design, and it is magnetic. So whenever you get out these pieces here and want to put them on there, they're actually magnetic pieces. So they're going to stay on there, and they stay on there pretty good. Not so good you can't move them around, but I mean they do stay on there, which is a really nice feature to have. So I'll go ahead and get this set up and kind of show you how it looks. So again, I've got the two pieces set up on here, and again, everything completely magnetic. That makes this great if you're going to be using it for travel, perhaps in a car or even on an airplane. You do have the ability to easily glide these pieces. They slide right along, but yet are magneted in place. Simply moving the pieces along as you would. Very easy to do. These pieces can move right across. When you happen to actually, say, take another person's piece and do that, you actually have this permanent foam cut out over here that you can then place the pieces in so that they're nice and collected and stored, so they're not going to rattle all around. Again, whenever you happen to get one of your additional pieces, which these pieces have a nice, even a cork back on these, hiding that magnet, so it's not going to scratch anything. They get to the end, you can queen them with this extra queen piece, so now you've got another queen in play. So they've thought of a lot of nice features with this board. Everything on here is extremely comfortable, easy to move, nice and smooth, and very slim line, ready for your next chess match.